one single tube from the actuator to the spindle, or are you gonna go actuator to draw tube and then another tube in between that to the spindle?
Yeah, there should be one in between. You should have a female end on the spindle, and there should be a male to male tube in between that connects to the chuck to the draw tube.
Yeah, I've got.
Is this this one right here? Is this a sub-spindle or main spindle?
I believe that's main spindle. Henry's off right now. He went to Ohio, so it's a little bit more confusing. But that one is the main spindle, and that diameter. Nope, that's a main spindle.
They look like the same size.
Yeah, see what they are.
Yeah.
That's the OD of the thread is 78.8 or 73.8. I'm sorry.
What's that one?
Same.
Same.
Yeah, it should be the same on both sides.
Yeah,
yeah, 73.8 on each one, but our spindle is, I can't even get a caliper in it, but I know it's quite a bit smaller, I think.
It looks like it's almost like 55, but it's inside the hole.
60.
Yeah, 60 would sound right, but it's just, we can't see it, it's way in the hole.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I can do.
And,
so we know it's an 826 spindle.
Troy.
But the other thing is
can you shut off that air?
the Kitagawa chuck that goes on the other side, that has a
There's no thread.
yeah, it's got a plate in it with a small hole that goes around it. Show him the diameter of that hole when he's taking a picture.
Yeah,
So how big is that?
Have to remove that.
Yeah, that has to come out, and something else got to go in there.
Yeah, it's the tube will spin. There'll be a male tube that spins in it.
What?
And that picture that I sent Kevin, I showed the inside of it.
I mean, it's bolted. It's bolted.
Yeah, this might.
It
might. No,
oh,
it
yeah,
spins.
Yeah, you're right.
It spins. Yeah, but
Yeah,
it's.
there's like one tube. There's two notches, and there's a tube that goes in there, and you spin it in the chuck, and then you spin the chuck onto the draw tube. So what I'll do, I just want to verify that you did not get plate for the Kitagawa.
Now I got jaws and stuff.
Yeah.
And that was it.
So I'm just doing a video real quick while we're talking about this, but the first batch is for Kitagawa. All we got in here is, that was for the chuck.
Wait a minute.
You do got something.
Yeah.
And we got this box over here.
Yeah, I think we might have found your plate. Buried underneath. Buried underneath all, we put the chuck out, but usually they don't put them on the very bottom to get banged up. But I do have a plate, and it must fit. Let me open it up. It was way stuck at the bottom, underneath all the plastic and bubble wrap.
So you found the plate for the Kitagawa.
Yeah, let me see how that fits.
That's the S&W, we got one box.
Yeah, here, let's see how this fits. This should fit the spindle.
That plate should fit on the A26 on the right side, either side of it. But it matches the ID bore of the...
Yeah, fits the spindle. Fits the spindle that way. And then...
Let me turn it over.
And there should be a drive kind of pin that fits in it's on the chuck and should mount on the side where, you get your drive.
And that goes through and bolts the chuck. So that don't fit, but just the center I don't have. That,
I don't know why we don't. That should
yeah,
be threaded.
that center's threaded, spins around and stuff, but that's that piece that I'm gonna need. I don't see it anywhere in here.
I double checked. Maybe Jose didn't.
I got a drawbar wrench with two things on it, two notches, but I don't have.
Well, let's see the other box.
This is SMW stuff in here. I just don't have anything to connect them to chucks to the drawbar.
Okay. Let me send you the pictures I sent Kevin. You'll see with the small tube with the fine threads on the back of that. I'll have to get that. Let me get a hold of, but just want to confirm it's A2 spindle, which it should be on both sides. And I'll get them to send me there'll be 2 of them, one per case, SMW. Let me write this down. And the Kitagawa.
Okay.
There'll be 2 OD, like pilot, but thread, I think they're 60 or 90, but I'm going to verify the 60 thread. And then on the wrench, there'll be a wrench that brings the one draw tube bar inside of
The other
the
one.
Which one's he talking about?
Kitagawa.
The SMW or the Kitagawa?
That's W, I think, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you could get us that, because then, I have to order the tape and see this.
Yeah, the whole theory was that what I was going to do is take these chucks. See, I ordered new chucks and stuff over here on these machines. I was going to transfer them from there to the machine that you guys are working on when it gets there. But they said, I saw you want me to order chucks. And I ordered the chucks, but then now I see we got to order them. I thought they.
Yeah, if you got the same, if you got the same exact machine, I just need the hardware for attaching these actuators up to it.
Yeah, I'll get that.
Okay.
I'll get that.
Cool.
Let me go ahead and get a hold of Paul and the other guy from SMW, then I'll work on that.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I got bolts and hardware to mount the chucks and stuff. I just don't have nothing to mount them actuators,
Gotcha.
to the chucks, and I need that. And like I say, this one that looks like, out of the Kitagawa chuck, I believe that center section's gonna have to come out, and
Yeah,
something
it's
else will
bolted
have
on.
to go in it.
Yeah, is it bolted on, or because there should be threads on there?
Yeah, there, on this Kitagawa chuck, we don't have anything inside here, inside that bore. Nothing.
Really?
Well, if this came out,
It feels like it doesn't thread out.
yeah.
I can flip it
Let me
over.
get a hold of them. Let me get a hold of them
Yeah.
and see what else I need for a 26 spindle, and then we can go ahead and I can work on that, and I'll get you a chuck wrench too.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, another question. Did you get on the Kitagawa, did you get a wrench to actuate the jaws or to mount the jaws? It's a special wrench. I just made sure it was in the box too.
I got a
It's
video.
a blue handle, I think. Looks like an Allen wrench, but it's got a special end on it.
Let's see, which one is
This is
this?
the Kitagawa stuff that I just pulled open.
Here, let me hit that bar. On the Kitagawa chuck,
Yeah, that's where you change the chuck jaws.
yeah, it, change chuck jaws,
Yeah.
So we just
that is
pulled out.
it.
I just pulled out this stuff.
Yeah.
Don't lose that thing. They're about $200 in the stupid little
Oh,
wrench.
right there. That's it.
Yeah, it's a blue 8mm wrench that, they ground it down a certain way on it, yeah.
Yeah. Can you believe that thing's about $200? I thought that fell apart when I ordered it here.
I'm still falling over how much I'm paying for milk and eggs.
I get mine fresh from a guy here working raises his own chickens, man. I get $4 for 18 and I'm loving it.
But yeah, I'll, get some, if you could get that together, I believe that's all we're missing. I think I've got hardware now to mount this, it's just, you showed them, you got a video of the back
Yeah,
of it,
we're
so-
videoing this while we're talking to you, so then that way you can see what we have.
Okay, that's perfect. I'll get a hold of them 2 companies and then I'll tell them what I need and let them send it to me and I'll send it to you guys as soon as I can.
Yeah, sounds like a plan, man. I appreciate you.
All right, thanks guys, appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, bye.
Cool.